Hey guys, it's me, Micah, if you didn't know, man. Now, yeah, if this is the first video you've seen by me, please watch the videos. This is not a just having fun video. I don't got no one reach me. No one's even hiding, and so we can just surprise you either. It's just me waiting for my freaking uncle. Is that him? Is that him? No, that is not him. So there's no point in showing it. It's not him. So what is that doing? And this is all I can do right now. And I'm gonna see if you can see it like that. I think it works like this or this. Okay, guys. I don't know what to do anymore, really. There's. Okay, so we don't have anything to do. And I want to looking, so there's no point. Gosh. I'm leaving. I might put myself no further. No, I did so. What the fuck is that? Anyway. It's not poo, so. That's dirt. It stinks over here. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Please. This is Call of Duty. Protect the world from devastation. Do you know people within the nations? Yeah, I'll see you. Then, stranger car. In the way, Now, guys, for real, I actually have nothing to do other than one thing, guys. One more thing I got in my mind. And then this video will be over. But I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. Da-na-na. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide, to discover the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me. Oh, it's so true. I'll teach you and you'll teach me. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. I love it. Wait to the trench coat to get to the oh yes. Wait till I look. Freaking camera. It's too far, but yeah, but with this like it's 2.0, I'm freaking eye of this camera. Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm not getting killed by it. And my phone's at 74%. And I'm still stuck out here. Well, I guess there's nothing I can do here. Except say one thing. Goodbye, guys. I have actually nothing to do anymore, so goodbye.